Hi, welcome to the new edition of Traditions, and today I intend showing you the potato vadakal, which is a very versatile dish which goes well with every practically all gravy things like sambar, vetta korambu, more korambu, all kinds of rasams, molaga rasam particularly, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Shall we go for the procedure? Shall I show you the way it is made?
Hi Emma, what's cooking today?
Today, combination for vetta kolbu, which has already been shown, I am going to make very finely chopped or the diced potatoes. First, I put the pan, non-stick pan it is. It's a quarter cup. 1 scoop of quarter cup of potatoes. This should do.
Oil.
Oil.
This is a favorite combination for many dishes, including rasam. It's an all-time
Plus,
favorite.
children like it a lot.
And sounds like from your Ranjanapati you have some mustard in your hands.
Yeah, no, I will just show you what all I am going to add now. Once the oil is heated, since it's non-stick, it doesn't take much of heat. The heat has to be really controlled. Slow fire.
Okay. And it sounds like you've kept the diced potatoes ready and
Yeah,
drained.
yeah. These are the finely chopped potatoes, I said. What is it?
It's called frozen diced potatoes.
Frozen diced potatoes you would get
Can be used, but these are fresh.
Yeah.
And you've left the skin on, it looks like.
Yeah, the peels are on.
Okay.
Because that I feel peels has the
Flavor and texture.
and the
Texture as
food
well.
value is also when it is cooked with peels.
Very nice. Mustard.
I'm adding about mustard seeds. It is already heated up. I told you it's non-stick pan. And 2 tablespoons of
Urad dal.
urad dal.
Okay. And what about curry leaves?
Yes, once the urad dal is golden brown, that is the stage I put. Normally, the curry leaves added along with
Hing. What about hing? Okay, that's the special flavor. So you
Yeah.
added the hing powder.
Yeah.
And now you're going to add the
Yeah.
potatoes.
See the color of the urad dal golden brown.
That is pretty simple.
Very simple and very wonderful combination for vetta korambu, parippu korambu, sambar, more korambu, anything you name it, rasam, all kinds of rasam. This makes a good combination.
And you can. Does it help if you microwave it in the?
Yes,
in
it will even consume
lesser
less
oil.
Yeah.
Okay. So when do you add the haldi and the salt?
Just after serving it for a little, say 1 or 2 minutes, so that the oil is
coating the entire potatoes.
The entire lot of potatoes that you added. That is all it is required. Now I will add tip of the spoon of
Turmeric. Gives it that beautiful golden yellow color.
That should be added only in the hot oil, when the oil is hot. If you put it just plain, then it is cold, that color will not come.
Okay.
The color comes only when it is put in hot oil. You can see it.
It's turning a beautiful yellow.
Yes.
Okay.
Turning yellow. You can see the color has, the entire potato has changed into a nice, lovely yellow color. Yellow itself is a beautiful color. And now comes salt. Even there is something extra in this machine.
How much salt will you use for this?
I am going to use again a large quantity I am making.
So like 1 heaping teaspoon.
Teaspoon and half.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
very nice. And the spice for this, is it red chili powder?
Both, see, you can, as one can handle the spiciness, you can have a part of it with red chili powder and part of it with sambar powder.
Oh, very nice. But
Sambar
sambar podi
powder
looks
has-
like an innovation that you seem to be
Yes,
using.
because it has dhania seeds in it,
Uh-huh.
the dhania flavor,
Uh-huh.
that gives a nice flavor. Instead of adding directly dhania powder, that might change the
Flavors.
Flavors, yes.
So you're going to use the combination of
Both.
pure red chili powder and sambar powder.
Yes.
Very nice. So this is also obviously salt to taste and spice to taste. So you can make this super spicy if you want.
Yeah, it is all salt, always spices and salt is to the taste of every individual. It is never a standard one. But this little more I can. Since I want sambar powder more, about half a scoop of this teaspoon.
Got it. And the rest of it, it sounds like you're going to use sambar powder.
Yes.
Very nice. Thank you, Amma. That sounds like you gave
Yeah.
us a very nice innovative tip to make spicy podi vadakkal.
Yes. The moment you've added salt, it is gives out water, and it will be. If you cover it, it will get cooked in a soft manner, and it will get crunchy at the bottom also. Both soft and crunchy at the bottom. Some people like the crunchiness of the vegetable.
And I think since you left the skin on, that will crisp, because as it gets cooked, that will also get crisp and
Crisp, yes.
very nice.
So the vegetable is the way it is.
And you cook
then-
it open, or do you
No,
close
cover
it?
it? Cover it.
You will cover it?
Yeah. Less slow fire. So fire is controlled, absolutely controlled.
So sounds like the secret to this
is all
dish.
I have the fire this thing,
Okay.
and I'm keeping it covered.
So this will slow roast, and if you want to make a healthy version of this, it sounds like you can microwave the potatoes
Right.
and drain them so that you can use less oil.
Yes.
If you're willing to use more oil, it will get crisper. That's how you think about this.
Even if you don't microwave it, to retain the wetness, you can just parboil it in water, just the required amount, and that can be added. After seasoning, you can add.
And that will use much lesser oil.
much less.
Very nice. Thank you, Amma. Can we see the preparation as it's wrapping up? That looks so pretty, beautiful, and looks very yummy. It goes with all kinds of
All kinds of,
preparations like
wet,
rasam, korambu,
Wet
sambar.
gravy things.
Very nice. Thank you for that. Bye, Amma.
Thank you, everyone. Hope it was clear enough to put across the things to you. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye till next edition.